Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp toast in 60 seconds.
So let's get into it, people. You want to make sure your shrimp is nice and clean. Devein it. Nobody wants your dirty shrimp. Then you're going to throw it in your food processor till it becomes a paste just like this. Could you use a traditional knife and do it? You could, but why would you? Then you're going to throw in some green onion or scallion as I call it, a little ginger, salt, pepper, garlic, soy sauce, cornstarch. Get it all mixed together. We're going to add our egg white. Make sure you mix it nice and thoroughly. You don't want, look at this smile. Got my teeth bonded. Aren't they looking good? No kidding. I'm gonna cut off the edges of the bread. Do you have to? No, that's a preference. Then we're gonna do a nice generous spread of our shrimp in between both slices of bread. Let me see that smile again. Dentist did a great job. Clean up the edges. Now we're going into the oil. You're gonna do this until they get nice and golden on each side. So let's see. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking for. Damn, that's gonna be good. Juicy on the inside, crispy on the outside. We did a couple of open face ones because it's our prerogative. We do what we want. We also made a sauce with Kewpie, mayo, sriracha, and sesame oil. You know what I'm talking about.
If you ever been to a sit-down Chinese restaurant and ordered the poo-poo platter, you know shrimp toast is on the menu. And I gotta tell you, it's quick and it's easy, and boy is it delicious. And that's shrimp toast in 60 seconds. And from our house to yours, bon appetit.